going on, guys? It's F the Marketer back with another video. We're back to the vlog style just because these videos just work better. You guys love to just see what's going on with my life or how to run the actual marketing part of everything and not really too much into learning marketing, which is okay. This is why we're in business, because nobody wants to learn marketing, or not everybody wants to learn marketing. But currently we're heading to the studio. I'm here at the headquarters. Mr. James is packing up all the equipment. We have a studio. We launched a brand new software for one of our clients and we need to record a lot of videos. So we're packing up, we're heading to the studio. So see you in a little bit. All right, we're currently at the studio. Brought our Go Level print van due to we had to bring a lot of equipment in. All right, let's check this place out. All right, so we're currently at the studio. I just came to check it out. I have a little segment in the training of the new software where pretty much we just explain who we are as a partner and what we do. So we're gonna role play that here so you can see it.
Scene 11, take 1.
Hey there guys, it's F the Marketer and welcome to Next Gen. I truly want to say you joined the right team. Can we just break it up how I usually do it?
Let's go. It's 5 lines, man.
Okay. All right, guys, so I just wrapped up my part. I definitely butchered it. I didn't have no script. I freeballed everything and it was getting hot. I also did not wear the right shirt that I was supposed to, but once again, I just kind of wear whatever I need to get me through the day. I don't like to dress up. I'm pretty sure these guys are gonna put a bunch of bloopers on here. Please don't go too long with the bloopers. So going back to the headquarters, it was fun, but time to get back to work. Man, it's super hard for me to record really professional content. When I mean real professional content, I mean like content that I know a lot of professional people are going to watch. I just like to be my cell phone camera, you know what I'm saying? Like here I'm literally talking to you guys. When I record videos, I am free to say or do whatever or wear whatever. Obviously I was super underdressed for this, but it's all good, you know what I'm saying? It's a thing. I don't want to look fake, and a lot of people will be like, oh, you gotta dress for success, and yeah, that's true, but I'll probably be one day one of those billionaires walking with a freaking t-shirt that costs $5 and show up to meetings with a jersey, you know what I'm saying? It's not that I don't want to be appealing, it's just I'm not comfortable in it. It just doesn't feel like me. If you guys watch Billions, you see that guy Axwell? I want to dress like that guy all day. Welcome back. So something you guys got to think about, right? What's the best way to streamline your business? A lot of people usually think having a simple CRM or a spreadsheet, they consider that streamlining or making everything much simpler to operate the business. And yes, spreadsheets do work, but you know, we're helping build a software where they can onboard people much quicker, where they don't need spreadsheets, they don't need to be emailing back and forth. We're literally building everything, right? So if you take the time to build something that's gonna help your business, why would you have a point and shoot photo shoot or a video shoot? Why would you just record regular trainings on a Zoom and make your company look smaller? If you're going to invest a lot of money into something, make sure you keep it high grade throughout the whole thing. Because what that does is kind of helps you build a good, healthy habit on becoming a industry titan. And what I mean by industry titan, I mean, if you think of a phone, you think of iPhone. If you think of coffee, you think of Starbucks. If you think of tissue, you think of Kleenex, right? What that does is starts putting you in that mindset of top mind awareness, right? And it's super big. If you don't know what TOMA is, top of the mind awareness, go and Google it. I'll talk about that later. But it starts putting you in those habits of becoming a much bigger corporation or bigger company, and nothing but success will probably come after that. Hopefully you guys like this video and a little behind the scenes of my day. Right now, about to jump into the meeting. So if you like this video, don't forget, man, don't forget to thumbs up. It definitely helps a lot and it makes me feel good inside. If you want to make me feel good inside, then then please thumbs it up, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Until then, see you next video.